The letter A. A is for alligator and apple. B for bear. B for bear. C for cat. C cat. Cute little cat playing with a mouse. D for dog. Woof, woof. E for elephant. F for fox. Look at the cute fox. F for fox. G for giraffe. Look at the cute giraffe. G for giraffe. H for hippo. Happy hippo says hello. I for iguana. J is for jaguar. Jaguars are fast, strong, and super playful. Yay! Hello, friends. K is for koala. I love hugging my bamboo. Yay! L is for lion. Roar! Hello, kids. M is for monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's learn and play together. N for numbat. Numbat is a cute striped animal. O for owl. Owl says hoo-hoo. O for owl.
P for panda. Q for quail.
R for rabbit. R rabbit. Cute little bunny rabbit. S. S is for sleuth. I move nice and slew. T for tiger. Roar. U for Uriel. V for vole. W is for wolf. Ow-woo! The little wolf is friendly and fun. X is for X-ray fish. Look at the glowing bones swim, swish, swish, swish. Y is for yak. Yay! I am a happy baby yak. Z for zebra.